Hey guys, and welcome back to another Xiaomi tips and tricks tutorial. Today we're going to have a look at an amazing new feature found with inside MIUI 8, and that is called Dual Apps. Now Dual Apps, guys, is quite simply how the name pronounces. It allows you to run dual apps on your Xiaomi device. Now this is quite a handy little feature when you come across, for instance, if you have a dual SIM card, such as our Mi Max over here. Now with the Mi Max, you of course can have two SIM cards, but then I'm only allowed on a typical generic phone, I'm only allowed one WhatsApp per number. Now with the Xiaomi devices and MIUI 8, this is possible using the dual apps functionality. And essentially to enable that, all you simply need to do is unlock your device and make sure you download an appropriate app. As you guys can see, I have a few apps loaded up on the screen, such as WhatsApp, Pokemon Go, Instagram, and Snapchat. Now on a generic phone, you would only be able to have one WhatsApp, one Pokemon, one Instagram, one Snapchat account. Now if you're a user like myself who uses dual SIM cards in their phone, one for personal, one for business, I want to make sure that I can actually use two actual WhatsApps on this phone without always having to swap phones or swap numbers or sign in or sign out. To do that, just download WhatsApp first, and then you simply go into settings. Now if you scroll down on the screen, you will eventually come across system apps, installed apps, and there's the lucky one that we are looking for, and that is called Dual Apps. If you go ahead and tap on Dual Apps will be able to create Dual Apps on your home screen completely separate. Dual Apps will be specific home screen icons. So what you then need to do is just tap OK and actually switch on the apps that you want to make sure that is dual. So for me today, I'm going to make sure that I have WhatsApp switched on. As you can see, it's busy creating the second app on my phone. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and switch on the second application. There we go. I also want to have dual Snapchat on. And just like that, the phone has now created dual applications. When you go back to your home screen, you'll be presented with a new icon. So on the first row, as we discussed earlier with the 4 original apps that I had, now once I've enabled dual apps, I will see a secondary app icon found on my home screen with a little orange icon on the bottom left-hand corner. What's very cool about this is that you can actually dual app any single application you have downloaded on your phone. I've just used these as a great example, but for you, you might have maybe, for instance, another version of a game with 2 different profiles, or you might use Gmail application for 2 different kinds of email addresses. So necessarily you do not need to download the application twice. All you simply need to do is download it once and activate dual applications. And that's it, guys. Quite simply, one of the great new features found with MIUI 8. And I think going forward, it is a great tip tool to be showing to your friends and to show them the power of dual SIM card functionality. I want to say thank you to all my Mi fans who sat through and watched this amazing tutorial. Now, if you guys have any questions, please make sure to make a comment down below. And if you guys really like this video, please click on the like button. For further MIUI updates, make sure to click on the subscribe button for future updates. And that's it from me, from Xiaomi, signing off for another great tip and trick video. Have a great day.